Hello everyone, welcome to SMK ADN Podcast. The podcast where we dive into technology, creativity, and the real life of vocational student. Today's topic is technology that vocational school student must master. And joining me are two awesome guests, that Vino and Sidik. Uh, and Vino from Computer and Network Engineering, and Sidik from Visual Communication Design. What's up, guys?
Hello.
Hello guys.
Vino, can you introduce yourself and talk about your major? What your major?
Let me introduce. Hello, my name is Alvin Muhammad, and sometimes my friends call me Vino. And I was majoring on TKG, or it's mean networking, of course, in IBM.
Okay, and Sidik?
Hello guys, my name is Sidik. All my friends call me Sidik or Jawas. And my major is visual communication design, focusing on UI UX design and 3D design.
Okay, and all right, Vino. Let's start with you from TKJ student. Point of view that technology should student master today.
Okay, well, basic of networking is easy. It's like IP and then MAC address and then OSI layer and then DHCP and protocol, so many. So yeah, that's the basic of networking that we need to know. It's like fundamental of networking like that. But there is that's not enough about that. There is more and more than fundamental network. Like there is a routing protocol, and then there is firewall, cybersecurity, and other so many like that.
Okay, thank you, Vino. So being confident means being updated with a new system and new but uh, trend ya in technology.
Yes.
And for Sidik, what your major?
My major is design communication visual, focusing on UI UX design. Actually, in my year now, in second year of vocational school, I was focusing on UI and UX, making a dashboard to sell it on the marketplace called UI 8, UI 11, UI 8.
Oh yeah, I know
And
that.
then it's really hard for you to think about what you visual to design, like the UX,
Oh,
what
yeah.
user needs. You have to think with the logic and not just only design like usually you see a reference from Dribble. Dribble is people just designing without the UX. Like the information is not really true. So design UI UX design teach us how to design with what user needs.
Okay, okay, and you guys are from totally different major, but there overlap that we can take AG and the cafe and learn from each other.
Uh, I think there is like making UI for the uh, configuration application like that.
Oh, yeah.
You know, like
Okay.
Winbox and then Cisco architecture like that. Yeah, maybe the cafe can be designing that UI more better than before. But I for now UI is already good, totally yes. And then next is maybe we can designing the topology. Of course, you can design topology like you make the router icon and then using the line for the cable to connect it to router one to the router two like that. So yeah, of course the cafe can learn more from TKG2 for additional knowledge like that.
Okay, and about you?
Uh, what's the question? Sorry.
You guys from totally different major, but there is overlap that the KG and the cafe can uh, learn from each other.
I'm not really understand what the question is, but the KG can learn from me from the KV or
Like what? is
the cafe can learn from the KJ like that. The
or
KJ learn from the cafe before me, and then
Uh,
now the cafe learn from the KJ like that.
yeah, you can learn about TKJ
Yeah.
from what.
Yeah.
Maybe
There's a similar thing.
Yeah,
No.
maybe we can learn about the simple.
Or the similar thing on
like
from
maybe
between
server
the KJ.
hosting.
Oh yeah.
Between the KJ and the cafe, the
Yeah.
similar thing. The same thing from between TKJ and FPL.
Maybe you
TKJ
can
and the cafe, sorry.
learn about server and hosting because you design a website. After that, me from RPL can make the website. After that, Pino can make hosting for our website like that.
Deploy.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That is a nice collaboration from us. And okay, I want to talk about what the
What the
oh,
the sorry, I forgot. Right, it's like about the it's when
okay.
access. Yes, the access from the KJ like that.
Yeah, the access for AKJ.
Okay. So the first thing that's across in my mind,
Uh-huh.
it's about AI.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So this timer in CKJ, if you configuration by the AI and the configuration by the human is totally different.
Okay.
With the human, it's sometimes it will be it's correct and sometimes it's not
Wrong,
correct. It's
yeah.
wrong. Like that. But for the monitoring, 24 hours per day is
Yeah.
monitored by human, of course. Because what? Because AI is not, it cannot be do that. Maybe he just can only reminding, or if there is,
Bug or
if there is
something.
troubleshoot
Yeah.
when in the day, he just reminder there is troubleshoot in this router like that.
Okay.
But he cannot fix it
Mm.
like that. Yeah, that's the access from TKJ, and then yeah, there is so many certification from TKJ for like
Oh, yeah.
CCNA, CCNA, BCRA, XCNA like that. There is so many certification for supporting you to working in the real world like that.
Okay.
Like if you want to apply job on the company or in the vendor, the certificate that you have it will be supporting you to apply job in that company like that. Yes.
And for the cafe, what the access?
The access of the KV is if you learn about UI UX, you
Okay.
can make the UI and UX
Hmm.
and then sell it to the marketplace. And then there's a one marketplace called Enfanto.
Oh, Infanto, yeah. Yeah, you know.
The Enfanto, you can put your UI in there, and the passive income you'll get a bigger passive income. Like Mr. Azrul already told us for about 4 weeks ago. He's talking to the people, and he achieved that he have a passive income for around 15 million for 1 month that get from the Infanto. So you can get more passive income if you sell it on the marketplace. And then a lot of people says that design is will get replaced by AI. Then I don't really think that
I
will
can
be.
change you.
Yeah, actually, AI cannot replace us, but it's still long. It's still a long way. It's around like 100 years from today.
Mm.
So AI cannot really replace us today. So don't worry. Your design is cannot be replaced by AI because AI don't have any expression to the design. AI just can only make that design without the expression, without the human expression. And I think that's all from the access of the design.
Okay. What tools did you learn from when you learn about TKJ?
Yeah, exactly. There is two type tools. hardware and then software.
Okay.
Let me introduce first the hardware. It's like there is a crimping on the cable or LAN cable, of course, crimping and connected the cable into the RG45 port. And then for the software, of course, there's so many software that supporting on networking.
Okay.
Example like Winbox.
Oh yeah,
You
yeah.
know Winbox?
I know.
Yeah, Winbox is application that make for configuration on Macrotik like that. So it's make it easy to configuration Macrotik using GUI, graphical user interface. You know?
I know.
Yeah, like that. It's more easy for me than CLI because what? Because in GUI, if there is troubleshoot, you can directly watching the log or historical and then see what the troubleshoot, and then you can fix it. Like that. And there is CLI, command line interface.
Oh yeah. I know.
Yeah, for CLI, for me, yeah, for troubleshoot, I think it's I think little bit hard, not too hard, but little bit hard, because in CLI you need to typing first.
Oh yeah.
The log set, and then and then you scroll the log like that. You scrolling, and then you find it, and then you fix it like that. But that you make it hard is what? Because you need to typing first to fix it, and then sorry, you need to typing first for see the log or historical,
Oh,
and
can I
then
copy fast like that?
can, but can of course in CLI. But I prefer to the GUI because it's more easy, and then
Oh.
the log is real time like that. Real time, not in CLI like that.
Yes. Thank you. And for the cafe?
There is three tools that I've been learned for this second year. The first is there's a lot of UI tools but I'm focusing on Figma. You know Figma? Figma
I
is
know.
collaboration.
With Adobe.
Yeah, with no,
Oh, no.
Figma collaboration tools that you can collaborate with design and the
Oh,
RPL.
oh yeah, yeah, I know. But I think Figma already adopts what ya? Adobe already buy Figma from the the
CEO.
owner ya,
The
the
owner.
CEO.
I don't know, but Figma is good tools, basic tools. I don't know basic tools. How to explain it?
Yeah, I
But
know Figma. Learn Figma from junior high school.
yeah, but and then the second tools that I've been learning is Blender. Blender.
Okay.
That's a 3D design platform that can you make a 3D design, like you can make a 3D cube or
Okay.
3D icons from there, and then
Like
you can
spline, yeah.
yeah, like it's similar like spline. And then the last tools that I've been learned is After Effects. After Effects I've learned it for in the last week, so I don't really master it. So I think
Okay. About tools is about attitude, adaptability, and continuous learning. Thanks for Pino and Sidik for joining us today. See you on next video of SMK EDN podcast.
thank you.
Thank you.